Another day, another story. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, 93 degrees Celsius. Peel and thinly slice garlic cloves. Spread the slices evenly on a baking sheet. Bake for 1 to 2 hours, or until the slices are completely dry and brittle. Once cooled, transfer the slices to a blender or food processor. Store the homemade garlic powder in an airtight container in a cool, dry place for up to 6 months. Enjoy your homemade garlic powder in a variety of recipes. Sure, here are a few more methods to make garlic powder at home. Dehydrator. Place thinly sliced garlic on the dehydrator trays and dry at the highest setting until the garlic is completely dry and brittle, which could take between 8 to 12 hours depending on your dehydrator. Then pulse the dried garlic in a food processor or blender to make powder. Sun drying. If you live in a warm, sunny climate, you can also sun dry garlic slices. Simply place the slices in a single layer on a clean cloth or screen and let them dry in the sun for several days, flipping them occasionally to ensure even drying. Microwave. Place the sliced garlic on a microwave-safe plate and microwave on high for 30-second intervals, flipping the slices between intervals, until they're completely dry and crisp, which could take anywhere from 2 to 4 minutes. Then pulse the dried garlic in a food processor or blender to make powder. Thanks for watching.